Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to level up your QuickBooks experience in 2025, today's video is a must-watch. I'm going to show you exactly how to create and edit custom fields in QuickBooks, step by step. Whether you're a small business owner or a bookkeeper, this guide will help you organize your data more efficiently and keep everything perfectly tailored to your needs. Stick with me till the end because I'll also share some pro tips to make your custom fields truly powerful. First, let's talk about what custom fields actually are. In QuickBooks, custom fields allow you to add personalized data points to your customers, vendors, employees, or transactions. For example, you can track things like customer preferences, project IDs, or even internal notes that don't exist in the default QuickBooks setup. Now let's dive into creating one. Log into QuickBooks and go to your company file. Navigate to the gear icon in the top right corner. Under the Lists or Custom Fields section, click on Custom Fields. Select whether you want to create a field for customers, vendors, employees, or transactions like invoices or sales receipts. Click on Add Field, then give your field a name, for example, project code or delivery date. Choose the type, text, number, date, or drop-down list, depending on what fits best. Now here's where customization gets interesting. QuickBooks 2025 allows you to set rules like making a field mandatory, showing it only on certain forms, or even adding it to printed or emailed documents. This is perfect for businesses that want consistent data collection across teams. Once you've added your custom field, hit Save, and that's it. You can now start using it in your transactions or customer profiles. Editing a custom field is just as easy. Go back to the custom field section, select the field you want to change, click Edit, and update the name, type, or visibility settings. Don't forget to save your changes before exiting. One pro tip: avoid creating too many unnecessary fields, as it can clutter your forms and slow down data entry. Instead, focus only on the information that truly matters for reporting or workflow efficiency. And that's how simple it is to create and edit custom fields in QuickBooks 2025. With just a few clicks, you can tailor QuickBooks to fit your business perfectly. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more QuickBooks tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions or want me to cover more advanced features. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.